Hello! Welcome back to Granny's, another unboxing. We have Lori here with us.
Hello, hello.
And
Tilda, two of your best friends.
Tilda. Yes. So, what is it called?
Something blue.
Something blue.
It's so pretty. January. Thank heavens we have to wait until January.
Right.
June 1st.
June 1st.
You can look at it today.
Yes, you can look, but you can't touch or you can't buy. Well, you could pre-order if you wanted to, but if you want to pre-order, just call us and we'll get it taken care of. But here we are.
Like right here. What's the best way? And this is I'm a turn to the professional.
I don't know if I can do this left-handed, but we're gonna try.
Well, they really taped that.
They did. Heck yeah, they did. And in my mind, I always say, "Don't cut the fabric. Don't cut the fabric. Don't cut the fabric."
It's so pretty.
So beautiful.
Oh my goodness! Can you see it with the glare? Oh, look fast.
Should we unwrap it all?
Yeah, let's do.
Like we normally do.
Like we do.
Like we do.
I almost just got your arm. It's braver. I'm going to leave that open. Never do what I'm doing.
Okay.
Do this at home?
Yeah. Let's see. I'm going to close out.
We are professionals.
Just for a hot minute.
Okay.
And I will open and you can show them, oops, all the beauty.
So obviously the line is called Something Blue. It's mostly a blue and white line. You've probably already seen pictures of it online, but look how pretty that is.
Sorry.
A big floral. And here we have a, oh, that's pretty. And then a 12 type something, and then a, and
this one.
And then don't forget, ooh, that's so pretty.
Well, that one has elephants in it.
Yeah, it's kind of, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Japanese kind of style.
And then we have a little bit of color on top of the blue and white.
I like those little dainty flowers.
So pretty. And then a giant flower. This would be a great background. Oh, that's pretty. I just did in a pretty little fussy cut situation.
Oh yeah, or one of those stack and whack things.
Oh, that would be cool.
That'd be kind of pretty.
Yeah, that'd be
flower.
really pretty.
Stack and whack things.
You know, we know what you're talking about. Last one to get up this high. Oh, and then this pretty vase.
It's a vase.
A vase chinois. Blue and white.
Oh, and the teacups.
Oh, wait a minute. Is this one's wound upside down? No,
that one's wound
that one's one. I just did that one. Yeah. Ooh, and this feels so silky. This feels so nice.
I think it's interesting how some of them are wound differently.
How?
I don't know.
So I do think it's interesting. I agree. But how does that happen?
Maybe they're wound by different employees.
This, which is really fun and would make some great labels. Also would make a really fun backing. It's just a really fun. We do lots of that.
Here it is in that taupe color.
Oh, I like that.
Like taupey green.
So pretty. The little bird. Put a bird on it.
It's a bird.
Put a bird on it.
Bird. Oh, this is a nice little border print. Oh, you could almost even do a binding.
I bet you. Let's see. Shall we measure?
Yeah.
Let's see. We can from here. Yeah, it would be two sides. Yeah, that'd be really cool. That'd be really pretty. So, an inch and a half, 2.5 inches would be right here, but losing the 1/4 inch. That's really pretty. Ooh, and look at this one.
Oh, even that one, that section there.
Thin borders. That would be really fun. Oh, and look at the pretty.
Oh yeah.
Would that be pretty? This would be really pretty to put and then a a decorative stitch
Scallop.
on either side
Oh,
as well.
oh yeah, yeah.
Practice your mitering skills.
Mm-hmm. I'll slide it over here.
We're running out of room.
I know.
Still got lots of boxes.
Still not even there yet. Oh, Landy, that's only 2 boxes. Not even.
Yeah. That's right. We will.
This is so pretty. So we have the whole line.
Yes, ma'am, we did. Plus, we have the Creative Memory Summer Ocean, which I think will look good with this too.
Really pretty with it. Oh, I can look right now. I can see it's going to be pretty
Oh, look
together.
at that on the diagonal.
Ooh.
That would be pretty binding.
Pretty. It's on the diagonal. So it's a binding. We can fold it up so you can see what a binding would look like. Covered up.
Ooh, I like that. All right, so we have another box. Maybe
Shove it all to the end.
watch this.
You can do like the magician, pull the tablecloth out from underneath. I got a little shimmy when I did that too.
Okay, and then we'll just go this way. Okay,
Guess what? It's still really pretty.
and it's still blue.
And it's still something blue. We got different background, color. The ivory color.
Maybe.
How do you not go? I want one of them.
As you can see,
You do.
I did get one of everything. Yeah, we were like, it's so pretty. It's good. Healthy.
I love those.
Yeah, look, this is one the opposite way. That makes my eyeballs go a little bit cross-eyed. Oh, I love this one.
Do you? I like that one too.
I love this one. Not that I don't like any of, but this one I really love. I don't know what about it. Someone say what it is that I love about this one so much. I don't know what it is, but I love this one.
I don't know how we're gonna do this, but I'm slacking.
Faster!
I'm trying.
I really love this one.
I do too. That blue is just beautiful.
It just looks so. I think I love it with the blue back, the white background, the very, very most. I think it looks so crisp.
Okay. Oh, that's another border print.
Mm-hmm.
Here, we'll just kind of trade places a little bit.
Trading places.
I'll just come over here and stack them here, and you can unroll them there. Cool.
With this,
Look,
this
I'm static clean
feels. Did you put it on your back again like that one time?
at band camp.
It feels so nice.
Oh, I feel.
This would be really fun to sew on.
Yes, it would be.
Just gonna. Those seams are just gonna throw themselves together.
Ooh, I like this one. I really like this
that is really
dainty
pretty.
one.
There we go.
This one would make a pretty, almost like red, white, and blue kind of thing.
Oh!
Without saying red, white,
Without
and blue.
saying red, white, and blue, it really does. Let's see.
Oops. We just like to make hot messes.
Kind of our thing.
Okay. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Oh, there's not one like that. Oh, that is a blue, dark blue background. There is one like that in the blue background. You just got it out.
You're right.
Here it is. Here's this one. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, who doesn't love a good polka dot?
The polka dots.
Running out of
There's
room.
a space.
Yeah,
Kind of
so
like
just-
you're doing with that
yeah.
one. That's all right. I'll take it down at the end and we'll do a
Close up.
close up.
Now here's this one in the white. Now that we've seen it in the blue.
And a white polka dot.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It is so fun.
So pretty.
Oh, this one's pretty too.
That
It's
would be pretty
diagonal,
as just
but with
on
white.
the straight of the
straight.
cross grain. Yeah, I buy it. What's it called? Oh my gosh,
Cross grain?
binding.
With the fabric.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be really pretty. It would also be pretty in
On
the
the-
other direction.
On the bias
Mhm.
too.
And really great polka dots. Who doesn't love a polka dot? They can go with anything.
Oh, so fun.
Oh, that's pretty.
That one, I do like this one, this print in the
Feels
with the
so
ivory
nice.
background. Mhm.
It's really like just soft.
Yes. There we go.
Ah!
Beautiful.
So pretty.
Okay, over here. I can do this one. Those blue polka dots. Little border print. Oh, I didn't flip that very good. Ivory. Labels. More labels. Flowers. Oh, it's so beautiful. The vases are probably upside down. Let's go that way now. They're right side up. This blue rose. That. We have this small dainty flower. That one with the leafy vines.
Check out those elephants.
I know,
So
right?
pretty.
So cute. And then those two. Right there. That one. And that one.
Thank you, Tilda.
Thank you,
Another
Tilda.
beautiful line.
Another beautiful, yes. Yeah, very beautiful. This will be available June 1st. You can pre-order by calling the store or coming into the store. Otherwise, it will be available to ship and pick up on June 1st. Thanks for watching. Bye.